Caleb's Legos Math Count. So Math Count is a website where each week they give out a new list of problems that really encourages you to challenge your thinking and problem-solving skills. So I highly recommend you to check on Math Count's website. So yeah, let's get started. Caleb has a bag containing red, black, and white Lego bricks. If he has 12 more red bricks than white bricks and 15 fewer white bricks than black bricks, what is the positive difference between the number of red bricks and black bricks in Caleb's bag? So let's do the first problem. Okay, so we know, let's try using variables to help us do this. So we know that he has 12 more red blocks than white blocks. So I will write that as he has 12 more red blocks. I'll write R for red is equal to 12 plus W for white. And then we know that W is equal to black minus, what you could think of it as black is equal to white plus 15. So we definitely know that B is greater than R. So then if we want to subtract these, which is B minus R, that's equal to the sum of W and 15 minus the sum of W and 12. And then you'll have 15 minus 12, which is 3. So basically the answer is 3 bricks. That's the first problem. Okay. Instead of sharing with friends, Caleb decides to share his bag of Lego bricks with his sister Cami. Caleb randomly selects one brick from the bag and gives it to Cami, then randomly selects another brick from the bag without replacement and keeps it for himself. Caleb continues this random selection distribution process until he and Cami has the same number of bricks and there is one brick remaining in the bag. If Caleb started with all 117 Lego bricks in his bag, what is the probability that the brick left in the bag is black? Express your answer as a common fraction. Okay, so we know that there is 117 bricks in total. And he's splitting it up until he only has that last 117th brick. And how do we know if it's a black brick? Well, how we know that is this is what we would do. We first have to find out how many red there is, how many black there is, and how many white there is, and then find the probability. So, do you still remember? How much red is W plus 12. Black is W plus 15. So then all of these values added together, all of these variables added together equals 117. So then 117 is equal to W plus W plus 12 plus W plus 15. Now we simplify. So then this becomes 3W plus 27. And then on this side it becomes, we can subtract 27 on both sides. So on the right side we have 3W, and on the left side we have 117 minus 27, which is 90, which means that W equals 30, which means that if R is equal to W plus 12, and we know that W is 30, then 12 over here would be 2 over here would be 42. Blacks over here would be 45. Okay, so let me quickly erase all of these to clear some more space. Okay. Now that we have these, let me move this. This is like cramped up. Okay. After we're done with these, what we want to do is we're trying to find the probability of the black. So we know that the total is 117, and the black is 45. And then we can start simplifying this fraction. So we know that these are both multiples of 3, so we can start small. On both the top and the bottom, we divide by 3, so on the top it would be 15. On the bottom, it would be 39. Then we can still divide by another 3, so up here would be 5, down here would be 13. So then, what we would do is, we have 5 over 13, and a common fraction is the most simple fraction. So then the answer we have for that is 5 over 13. That's our